Hello friends, how are you? I hope all of you are good and doing great. So in this video, I'm going to talk about Ollama again. I think all of you have seen that Ollama and downloaded on your local and you have used it, started using it. It is that model you don't need any internet connection, and you can, once you download it, you can chat with Ollama on your local. There are means you can download, you can modify it, or you can means even if you want, you can have a lot of things with the Ollama on your local, and means you can also use it Hugging Face, download any model and plug it into Ollama. So like Ollama list, so all these commands are there. So you right now, if I'll have to use Ollama any model, I have to use it simply say, giving the name of that model. In this case, I'll give Mistral. So Ollama run Mistral. It will download. If it is not there, then you can see it and on your local. And once it is there, you can ask that any question. What is 2 plus 2, or any other question for in general. So like, and you can also tweak the Ollama models. I have prepared the videos earlier. So all these things you can do, but everything is there in this. Uh, I can say it is in, means you need to use console. You don't have any specific UI like Chat GPT or anything. So in this video, I'll let you know means how you can have that web UI. Ollama basically itself have given that and have that facility for you to do everything on as a web UI. You can see that in the current screen that it you can ask any questions and all these things, and you can do it in your local. So for doing that, they also have gave us commands. So if you have running Ollama in your computer already or on your system, you can use this command. On a different server, you can use this command. So example.com might be something you have to give it, and some of the modification is required. If you want to use it with the GPUs or OpenAI key or CPU only, like that, you can have a lot of options available. So since I already have it in my local, so I have going to install that OpenWebUI. So let's see, I have just copied and just pasted. So it initially it doesn't is not able to find. So Docker is there in my system already, so I can show that it's already there, otherwise it will not work. Since Docker is already there, it is started downloading. It is, and it will download, it will start that image immediately for me and give me that, start the server on a local server as on a port 3000, as we have seen it in this. So means it is internally running on 80 port, but for us it is basically on a local. You can see it on 3000. You can modify this port number if you want, but since it is the given already, I am using it directly. So it will not take much time. Once this is download, I can have that privilege to using that web OpenAI in my local. So just wait, it will complete in a minute of second or something. It will not take much time. So one of the piece, it's taking a lot of time seems. Just wait, I hope should be complete soon. Otherwise, let's wait for I'll I'll connect again, and once that will connect, we can talk, and I can show you that it's once it is downloaded. I have just checked. It's what all things are running in my Docker right now. It's one Ubuntu images seems is running on port 8080, and another is on image is basically Ubuntu, and the one container is running which is of Ubuntu. Yep, still waiting. Now my model has been downloaded. It's finished a few minutes back. Let me uh, see that what all things are running. First of all, see the Docker images. So we have a new image of OpenWebUI, and then let me see Docker ps-a. So there is one more container is running GHCR, this one. So it's on 3000. Let me do one thing. Let me start the application. Local host colon 3000. Let's see what will happen. So now, since I have this UI in place, if you have your username password, so you can log in, otherwise you have to connect. For signing up, this is required. So since I have done this all before, and that's why I'm redoing it in front of you, that's why my passwords and setting up username password is already there. So let me sign in. So now you logged in. So now it is very much look like that you are working on a chat GPT. So who is the president of India? Model not selected. So select one model. I'll select. So means I can also analyze the answers by looking at different models. So first time it is running, that's why it is taking time. So it is giving me Ramnath Kovind based until, as per knowledge, it is since July this to 21 it is there. So you can also get that idea that it is, if I'll select Llama 3 7 billion and then ask the same question, let's see, maybe the answer is will change. So it's also giving you that, okay, which model you are running and what question you have asked. So means in a same window you can ask different models, same question or different questions as well. So since it is running first time initializing, it is taking time. Yeah, or obviously 70 billion will be taking time as well. Obviously, in even if I'll run it in my local on a Ollama as terminal in console itself as well. So this is the questions, and you can also see that what all questions you have asked today. Similar like ChatGPT, also you can get all these things. Let me explore some more things. I'll log in another window as well. By the time it is giving me an answer. So explain option trading, show me code snippet, grammar check, overcome presentation, give me ideas, help me study, tell me fun facts. So all these things are already there. Prompt, discover a prompt. So if I'll go in model files, I have discover a model file. I can see that what all model files we have it and showing it up here. So it requires asking for to us to join in the community. I can, maybe I'll do it later. Yeah, see if I have the answer. So yes, it's gave the answers to me. Now you can say continue response or read aloud. So you can see that you are getting an option for doing different activities as well. With different models may have different activities. So you can see that how much token is used and prompt token, and how much seconds it took for their 1 minute 18 second for this. So these all information is also available, or you can upload a document here, and then we can chat with that document as well. So these all things you can do it with Ollama. Yeah, so I believe you like this video, and if you really like that video, please share it, subscribe it, and like it. Yep, thank you very much. Thanks a lot.